The National Weather Service in New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: New York City and Eastern New York, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located in eastern New York City moving at 47 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs and entryways. Locations of impact include eastern New York City, New York. For your protection, move to a lower room with no windows. For more information, tune to channel 1994 EAS.